magbukbang may kay para makakwarta may. Kaya para makakapalit na hindi siya babasunod to pag mag-abot na sila yan, no? Huh? Love.
Wala yung kwarta. Wala yung kwarta.
Ha?
Wala yung
Wala ka
kwarta.
kwarta?
Wala yung kwarta. Wala yung kwarta. How's that taste? Chicken and ice
I
cream.
don't like ice cream that ube. Naman tayo!
So you're telling me we bought ice cream because you wanted ice cream, and we got a flavour you don't like.
What are you doing?
Playing with my food. Because I'm an adult and I can do what
Milo
I like.
every day. Paano yan?
Huh?
Eat the drinks. Ang suan kang alaw, no? Kay? Kuan?
Milo.
Melo.
Nestle Milo.
Melo?
Ew. There's sugar in this.
Sila yan, hapit na mulakaw. Duway na sa mo balik.
It's gross after eating ice cream. Must be a lot of sugar in ice cream.
Bilaan ako niya. Hindi siya mabalik eh. Marot to yung kwarta dun niya. Kasi, ito pag di mo yung kwarta, nga wala si kwarta.
You spent all my money.
Ah. Tagak pa.
This one. Spent
Yun
all
nga,
my money.
mabit nyo niya. Kay. Pala may dete, sige na may dulog, sige na may labing-labing. Walay kwarta. Wala siya kay.
Loving, loving.
Labing-labing siyang mata. Labing-labing.
Loving, loving. See, this is what I get. I get this kind of treatment. If there's any Filipinos out there who knows how to treat a man nicely, drop a message.
Ba? Lasing. Up the cam, be?
Hmm?
Up the cam na.